In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an online video to your computer, whether it's for offline viewing, archiving, or educational purposes. There are a few methods you can use to accomplish this task efficiently and legally. Let's dive into these techniques, each designed to suit different situations and preferences. First off, the simplest method involves navigating to the web page where your desired video is published. Once you're on that page, direct your attention to the video itself, then right-click on it. This will open up a context menu. From this list of options, you'll want to select Save Video As. This command allows you to save the video file directly to your computer. After selecting this option, you will be prompted to choose a location on your hard drive where you'd like to store the file. Make your selection and confirm to start the download. This is a quick and easy way to save videos. But please remember, this option may not be available on all sites due to restrictions or permissions. In some situations, you might not see the Save the Video As option, which brings us to the next method. You can utilize your browser's developer tools to access the video file. This is a slightly more technical approach, but can often be quite effective. Start by opening the page with the video. Then, open your browser's developer tools, usually by pressing F12 or right-clicking anywhere on the page and selecting Inspect. Once the developer tools window opens, switch to the Network tab. Here, you'll need to play the video, which should cause the list to populate with various file requests. Search through the list for the video file, which often has extensions like .mp4 or .web. Once found, you can right-click the file link and choose to open it in a new tab from where you can download it. Just be sure that you have permission to download and save this video before proceeding, as respecting content rights is crucial. Another option available is to use a third-party online downloader. Several websites allow you to enter the video URL, and in return, they provide a downloadable file. Simply paste your video link into the provided field on these sites and follow their instructions to download the video. Again, ensure that you're allowed to download the video and that you trust the third-party service before using it. Finally, if all else fails, you can record the video as it plays on your screen. If you're using a Mac, for example, hitting Command+Shift+5 will open the screen recording tool, allowing you to capture the video manually. This method might compromise video quality and requires the entire video to play in real time, but it's reliable when other methods aren't feasible. Remember to respect copyright and usage laws when downloading content. These methods should provide you with the flexibility to save videos conveniently while remaining ethical in your practices. Happy downloading!